Hi everyone, I'm Tracy Bowman with Bowman for Art on Facebook and TA Bowman Studios coming from Buzzards Bay. And I'm going to do some flowers, of course, my favorite thing to do. So I got my house paint down and I'm just going to bring it to the edge and spin it out. I just did a dragonfly, which came out kind of fun. I think I want to do another one of those. Anyhow, I'm using some fun paints. I'm using some color shift paints. I'm going to do purple and pink flowers with the yellow center, and I'm using Deco Art Metallics and some color shift for some leaves. And I think it'll just have a lot of bling to it. So I think I'm going to like it. Let me get a couple of these bubbles out. And then I'll spin it. I'm not shy with my house paint. And when I do flowers, I make sure that I spin it really well, because I don't want to leave too much of a puddle on the canvas, because I don't want my flowers to fly off. So I make sure I spin it out well. Looking good to start. And let me see if I can get some of these bubbles out. Okay. So my thought is to do purple flowers, which I always start with the flower to see where I'm placing them. And then I'll go to the leaves. This is Festive Green by Deco Art Metallics. It has such a nice gold shimmer to it. And I really like to variegate my leaves, so I like putting other colors in it. And this one is called Espresso by Deco Art Metallics. I like it when there's a little brown in the leaves. It just makes me feel like they're true to color. All right, so I'm going to blow out my leaves first. That gives my flowers can just rest up against the leaves, which make it looks pretty natural that way. Oops, and because I'm going to blow them out this way, I put my cell activator on the inside and blow them out towards the edge. And I really like using the world's smallest leaf blower. Oh, my cord is caught up here. The world's smallest leaf blower. As you can see, I've used it quite a bit. All right, so now I'm going to blow out the leaves. Catching that cell activator, skimming it across. Using my spinner. Okay. So they can sit a little bit and brew some. Now we can play with the flowers. And I like my flowers to have a two-tone to them as well, or a three-tone actually. I'll give it a yellow center. Bright yellow center. Okay. I'm just using black cell activator. And the last flower you blow out will be the most prominent. So, there we go. Okay. So now we can play with the leaves while they sort of sit and brew. Okay, now we can play with our flowers. And I love these picks. I buy them on Amazon. They have a fat end and a skinny end. And when I play with my flowers, I use the fat end, so to create their petals. And so I draw right in, lifting straight up so I don't dribble. And I love to have all that cell action right in the center. Not bringing it all the way to the center. So you can see that there's that there. Let's see where I want to go. There we are. Beautiful. Okay. All right. Now let's see what we get. Give it a spin. It looks like I'm going to have some negative space on this one. Oh, not too much. I don't have too much negative space. Let me give it one more spin. Yeah, they're wild. That's great. Okay. So there's another fun thing I like to do. I like to make little flower buds. Just dipping in a small stick into my paints, and then drop there. Wipe the stick off, and I drag through them. And there we go. Very pretty. I'm happy with that. Very nice. It's amazing the different coloration they have in the flowers is quite pretty. Quite pretty. Oops, sorry, I'm losing you. All right. Well, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed that. And be sure to like and subscribe so you'll see what comes next. And happy Mother's Day. Bye now.